Before you buy a pool cue, there's one thing no product page mentions: how much the weight balance actually changes your game. Most cues look identical online, but the real difference is in how they feel during a break or a long draw shot. Today, we're cutting through the noise.
Product number 1, Garson 3D-001. The Garson 3D-001 caught my eye because it blends high-end materials with bold design. At $67, it sits in the mid-range, but it's built like a premium cue. The Canadian grade 6A maple gives it a solid, dense feel, no flex, no wobble. And the 3D printed details, they're not just for looks, they improve grip consistency. If you want a cue that feels stable on long draw shots and looks sharp at the bar, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 58-inch length and adjustable 18 to 21-ounce weight range let you fine-tune power and control. That means whether you're breaking hard or playing finesse position shots, you can dial in the perfect balance. The 13mm leather tip holds chalk well and delivers clean contact, and the 2-year warranty shows the brand actually stands behind its product. Over 900 units sold last month suggests real people are trusting this cue. Now, some people complained about the hand-painted finish wearing off after heavy use. Here's the thing though, this isn't a tournament cue meant for daily bar play. If you're playing casually a few times a week, it'll hold up fine. But if you're racking up 20 games a night, the paint might chip. Still, the core performance isn't affected. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, well-balanced cue for home or weekend bar games and don't mind a little upkeep. Skip this one if you need something purely utilitarian or plan to play competitively every day. For the price, it's a solid value with real craftsmanship.
Product number 2, HMQQ 2-piece set. If the Garson's finish worried you, this HMQQ set takes a completely different approach. Practical, portable, and budget-friendly at just $29.99. It's a 2-piece design with a quick release joint, so you can toss it in a bag and head to the pool hall. The 13mm leather tip gives decent spin control, and the solid hardwood build resists warping over time. If you want an affordable, no-fuss cue that travels well, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The size options, 42, 48, or 58, mean it fits teens, adults, or even kids. The 17 to 18-ounce standard weight is great for control, while the 20-ounce heavy version adds power for stronger breaks. That's huge if you're playing with friends of different skill levels or sharing cues at home. Over 700 sold last month shows it's a go-to for casual players. Now, some people complain the joint feels a bit loose after repeated assembly. Here's the thing though, if you tighten it gently, it's not a pro-level joint, but for home or bar use, it's more than enough. Just don't expect tournament-grade precision. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner, play casually, or need a travel cue. Skip this one if you're serious about improving your game or need pinpoint accuracy. At under $30, it's one of the best values for entry-level players. Product number 3, Billiard Depot 4-pack. But the next one on my list might actually be better for families or game rooms. The Billiard Depot 4-pack at $53.99. You get 4 full-size 58-inch cues with 13mm leather tips and hardwood shafts. The overlay decal butt gives them a classic look, and they're built for residential use, so they handle casual play well. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're hosting game nights or have multiple players, having 4 cues ready means no waiting. The standard weight and 5/18 joint provide consistent feel across all sticks, so switching between them doesn't throw off your rhythm. Over 500 sold last month shows it's a popular choice for home setups. Now, some people complain the tips feel a bit stiff out of the box. Here's the thing though, that's normal for new leather tips. A little chalk and a few games will soften them up. It's not a defect, just part of the break-in process. This is perfect for you if you want a full set for home use or parties. Skip this one if you're a solo player or need high-performance gear. For under $55, it's a great deal for group play.
Product number 4, HMQQ Heavy Duty. If the previous HMQQ's standard weight didn't feel powerful enough, this next one takes a completely different approach. Same brand, but built for stronger breaks. At $28.99, it's nearly identical to the first HMQQ, but the 20-ounce heavy version gives you extra momentum on the break. The 2-piece design and rubber bumper make it durable and floor safe. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Heavier cues reduce arm strain on hard shots because the weight does more work. If you're struggling to get power on breaks or bank shots, this can make a noticeable difference. The 13mm tip still delivers clean contact, and the 1-year warranty adds peace of mind. Now, some people complained it feels too heavy for long sessions. Here's the thing though, if you're not used to 20 ounce, it takes a few games to adjust, but once you do, your break improves fast. Just know it's not ideal for finesse play. This is perfect for you if you want more power without upgrading to a pro cue. Skip this one if you prefer lighter sticks or play mostly safety shots. At this price, it's a steal for power-focused players.
Product number 5, Cricle Carbon Fiber. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious players. The Cricle Carbon Fiber Cue at $129. This isn't just another wooden stick. The carbon fiber shaft with internal foam reduces deflection, meaning your spin shots stay on line. The 12.5mm Japanese pigskin tip grabs the ball better, and the 3/8x8 stainless joint ensures smooth energy transfer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of miscuing on side spin or losing position on long shots, this cue fixes that. The low deflection design is used by pros for a reason. It improves accuracy. Over 300 sold last month shows it's gaining traction among competitive players. Now, some people complain the weight bolts aren't included. Here's the thing though, you can buy them separately, and most players already have compatible ones. It's a small hassle, but the performance gain outweighs it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about improving your game. Skip this one if you're a casual player or on a tight budget. For the tech and precision, it's worth the investment.
So which cue is right for you? The Garson if you want style and balance, the HMQ cue sets for affordability and portability, the Billiard Depot 4-pack for group play, the heavy HMQ cue for power breaks, and the Cricle if you're chasing pro-level accuracy. Each has strengths and flaws, so pick based on how you actually play.